Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 2018. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Like, I feel old, even though I'm not that old. I feel old. But I'm here with a kind of a get ready with me. I've changed some products that I use on my face, and I've changed how I get my full coverage, fully chiseled, fully contoured face. So if you want to know, if you want to get ready with me, chat a little, you know, get your tea, I got mine, and let's get into it. That's so good. You guys need to try organic peachy green from Tazo. So first I'm going to, of course, do my eyebrows. I'm so excited for this year. I just want to get so much stuff done so I can, like, you know, start living my life. I just want to get everything done with so I can start having fun with my blogging and YouTube. So next, I think I'll do my eyes. I really liked my makeup that I did. I'll leave the picture here. This picture actually got so much attention on Twitter and on Instagram. A lot of people think that that's my hair. It's not. It's a wig, and it is a wig I will be reviewing along with some other wigs you guys seen me you know, post up in over the winter break and over the holidays. So I can't wait to show you guys all those wigs. Don't worry, I'm going to get to it. Everyone's like, oh my god, we need a video, we need a video, we need a video. I got you. I will get those out. Trust me, daddy. Fenty Beauty's primer is really nice. I like it. It gets the job done, I think. To avoid getting any kind of texture on my skin, I'm just going to use my beauty blender to spread that onto my skin. I collaborated with Bobbi Brown, and they sent me their Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. This is so good. It is so great. I also have the Bobbi Brown, their regular skin foundation, but this one is, I like this one better. I feel like this one isn't so geared to my oily skin, but this one definitely is, hence the nice matte bottle it's in. But yeah, I really love this and I'm super excited. This video isn't sponsored by them at all. I collaborated with them and they sent me this. I've been using it since early December. But yeah, I feel like I was so happy and so excited to be working with such a respected brand in the makeup community that is so bomb. It also smells so good. Like, this is the best smelling foundation I've ever had. It smells amazing. Like, when I first opened it, I was like, again, from Fenty Beauty, I finally got a foundation. I can rock this foundation as long as I do a full face of makeup. It's a little bit too warm for me, a little bit too bright for my complexion. I thought it would be okay during this time of year because it's where I'm usually at my palest, but this is actually a little too bright. But I liked using it to kind of highlight and conceal my face, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to be using the Fenty foundation brush for that. I pretty much put it in the middle of my face and it makes my face look bright and lively and just everything I want it to be. So, and people do not lie about it drying quickly. I remember when I first used this, it was just like, hurry up, because I am setting myself right now. Wherever you put me, this is where I'm staying. So you have to move fast with this. I really like it. On top of my Bobby Brown, it looks so nice. Like I feel a little bit sun-kissed with it, kind of. Brings out my melanin. And now I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D concealer. And I just like to make little dots. It's very full coverage, so little goes a long way. Because I need the coverage right now, but I don't want to look cakey. And this routine helps avoid that. And I love it. So nothing new with contouring. I still use my Anastasia cream contour kit. I said on my Snapchat how I gained a lot of weight in 2017 and how I'm kind of enjoying it because I've always wanted to be thicker than I am. I've always felt like a sock monkey and just like all fat in the middle and skinny limbs. Now that I'm getting some thickness in other places, I've been enjoying my weight gain. But I want to start my Depop and start selling some clothes. I know you guys like my style, at least Instagram does. I think I've been getting better at blending my nose contour out. Sometimes it would just be a blatant line and it's just like, oh girl, no. I will set my face. I'm not going to use my favorite Mattify Cosmetics powder because I only like to use that when I know I'm going to be out and about and need to be matte. So I'm just going to go in with my Laura Mercier. I thought this translucent powder was like darkening my highlight, but it's not so bad. I like it. And now using my BH Cosmetics contour palette, I'm going to use my favorite shade. Oop. My beauty blender is rolling around like a maniac. I'm going to use this shade to contour my face. Should we use the orange? Are we feeling extra warm and bronzy today? I think we are. I'll use the orange shade as well. Yeah. So I created a nice little eye look. It was very subtle. For that same picture you guys liked, I did a nice little everyday subtle eye look with that. So let's try it again. The same shade I used to contour my face, I'll use in my crease. And I'm going to put it all the way here where my nose contour is to like further contour my nose and like my face as a whole. Now I'm going to mix together these two highlighting shades, I assume, and put that on my lid. A nice soft crease color, nice soft lid color, and then a little bit of orange because, you know, I just love orange. It looks good on my skin, okay? Tea is so good. So now I'm gonna take this little pointed brush and use the orange shade on the outer corner of my eye just to give, you know, a little bit of something something. Isn't that pretty for a contour palette? Like, yeah. And I'm just going to blend that out a little with my fluffy blending brush. That is it for the eyes. I finally get to do it. I'm wearing the Farah number 12 lashes. These are so dramatic and I love it. This is nice to like bump up your everyday makeup, natural makeup. I know I will be doing that because I'm extra. Now I'm gonna highlight. So I'm going to use my Cover FX enhancing drops, give my highlighter a bit of a pick me up. And I'm using the color Sunlight. See, like it's so nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty highlighting stick in Rum. And, oh, it's called a matchstick, but it is a highlight. I'm gonna be using the color Rum. It's a pretty golden champagne-y color. Actually, it's more just a gorgeous champagne color. And I'm just going to highlight. And I'm just gonna use my finger to blend it out. I haven't tried using, let me try using this. Oh, this actually blends it out well too, kind of. It doesn't really get the harsh lines. Whoa! Let me see. Okay, this works too. So I'm gonna be using Yonsei from Nola Skin Essentials. Oh, I put too much. Oh, whatever. Oh my god, okay. I love it. Yes. I love gold. You guys know that. So I think I'll go with Primavera in my Modern Renaissance. I know it's dirty, please don't judge me. So now I'm gonna put on some blush. I'm gonna use my Sephora blush that's in this little cute container like this. It's like a balm. I like to just take my brush that I use for blush and swipe it along there and just dab it on my cheeks. And lately I've been enjoying putting my blush on my nose. I don't know why. It's just cute to me now. Like, some people might think, oh, her foundation's rubbing off. Oh, this smells good. Her foundation's rubbing off or something, but I just feel like a blushing little anime character, so I like putting blush like everywhere now. I just like that overall flushed look right now. Okay, now for the lips. I did a cute lippy yesterday with the shade I didn't think I would use, but I did, so let's do it. I'm gonna take my NYX brown lip liner first, and I'm gonna fill in my lips with this as well. This label is so huge. But now I'm gonna be taking my Baby Matte Lippy from Lena Lashes. I'm gonna use the shade Send Nudes, and I'm going to put that on top of the brown. But I'm focusing on keeping it within the brown lip liner so that the outer parts are still brown. If you guys want the full review, go on my Instagram and it's under one of my highlights. The one that says Lena Lashes, I did a review on all of the shades and I love them. So I'm letting that dry a bit. And you can leave your lips like this, but I want a little more. So I'm gonna be taking Nudish from Lena Lashes as well. And I'm going to put that in the middle of my lips. So I'm just gonna focus it literally in the middle here. Like that, you only need a little bit. Pretty pigmented. And I'm just going to clean up underneath there with some concealer. Now I just want to add a few freckles, just because, you know, I'm dealing with some pimples, so let's cover them. I'm just going to use my Anastasia Dip Brow and this old Kat Von D liquid liner applicator to just make the dots. So I went ahead and put all of these little dots on my face and over my pimples. Oh, I forgot to go over some of them. But I've just been going over them with my beauty blender. As usual, you guys know the deal. I'm just going to set my face. And just bring back that nose highlight. This is definitely a look that I'll probably be rocking a lot as like my everyday glamorous look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys liked seeing what I use now on my face. I really think I did a nice upgrade to higher end brand. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you like this wig. It's new. It's from Ava Wigs. It's my first 360 lace wig and I love it. I always wanted a nice basic black straight wig. Like, it's just, I feel like it's a staple. So I really love it. I'm so excited to have one. I remember last year I said I want to have my first lace wig. I want to invest in them at the beginning of 2017, and now for 2018 I have a 360 lace wig. So I love it. I love the new little upgrades I'm getting. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. Hope you guys like this nice, pretty glam look. It's a pretty glam look, but like I said, you can tone it down with the lashes and the lippy. You can just put on lip gloss if you're not, you know, trying to do a whole lip combo. I have so many more videos coming for you guys. I have wig reviews on the way. If you haven't, subscribe to my Kakess website and make sure you follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, because that's where I'll be talking to you guys the most. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you enjoyed this little makeup look, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!